We already talked about attribution for internet sources, but it's so important that we're going to do it again for human sources. The first time you identify a source, use the person's first and last name. After that, only the last name is needed. If you're interviewing two people with the same last name, however, you'll need to refer to them by their first names or something else to differentiate the two. Put the noun before the verb. That means it is Jeffrey Feiger, your noun, said, your verb, not said Jeffrey Feiger. When a quote is just one sentence, the attribution follows the quote. When your quote is more than one sentence, put the attribution at the end of the first sentence. And finally, always begin a new paragraph when you change speakers. To avoid confusion, add a new attribution as soon as possible. Finally, should it be said or says? The present tense, says, is appropriate for reviews that describe music or drama as if it's happening right now. Says can also be used for feature stories, the you are there stories, where the action seems to be happening right now. Says is also preferable in broadcast writing. In all other instances, use the past tense, said. There also isn't any need to add words like stated, explained, or anything else fancy. Just use said.